Yes. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my makeup with some witch fingers, and I'm going to do like a witchy look, and I'm going to attempt to do it with witch fingers. I'm not sure how hard or easy this is going to be. It might be surprisingly easy, might be surprisingly hard. Not really surprisingly hard, but you know what I mean. Let's just get started. It's actually like goes with my look, you know what I'm saying? That black and red look do. I'm going to be putting these on all my fingers. They also stop blood circulation. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but look, it's like, it's kind of cutting off the blood circulation to my finger. But it's fine, no worries. I've never actually had fake nails on for more than like a couple of hours. So we're going to see how this goes. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, this video is going to be crazy. I reckon men could wear these as well. If you've got bigger fingers, you would probably be able to fit into these as well. Oh my god, I'm like trying to put this on my finger. Okay. Oh my god, I'm actually going to have so much trouble. I'm just going to like pinch it. Pinching is the key. Is this what people feel like after they've come back from the nail salon? Are they like, welcome back to my channel. Yes. I'm so offended. I'm like a sassy witch, that's what I am. I'm like a really sassy, basic white witch. Like I'm a basic witch. Instead of a basic bitch, a basic white bitch. I'm a basic white witch. Oh, yes, it's Brittany witch. So first, I'm gonna keep talking with my hands now. So first of all, I just thought, how the hell am I supposed to blend stuff with my fingers? I just won't blend stuff with my fingers because I think it's gonna be, oh, these can be so gross after I put them in makeup. So I have my makeup here. Here is my primer. I'm gonna try and pick this up. Get out of the way, Jeffrey. Come on. This is just the primer, this isn't the foundation. Oh my god. I've got the primer. Gonna try and undo it. Gonna squirt a little bit on the back of my hand because God knows I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this with my fingers. Okay, so I have the primer on the back of my hand. I'm gonna rub it in with my back of my hand. It's just not working. Gorgeous. Oh yes, professionalism at its best. Next, I'm gonna do some foundation. This is actually quite easy to pick up. Okay, it's got a pump. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Oh. Where did that go? Oh no, it went on my bed. Ah, it went on my bed. It went on my bed. Quick, get the toilet roll. I'm not gonna lie guys, this is an actual challenge. Right, I don't know why it squirted off to the side, but for some reason it did. Okay. I thought I'd actually do like a really nice professional makeup look, but now I'm looking at it, I'm thinking this isn't gonna work, you know. Oh, I'm really good at scratching though. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Come on, grab it. Flick it, flick, flick. Oh my god, this is, I got it. Oh my god, I can see him getting like sweaty. Ew. Can you imagine wearing these for a whole night at a Halloween party? You'd not be able to do anything. Imagine wearing these drunk. It'd be so annoying. Actually, I'm gonna use a brush. I can't handle this anymore. I've got to use a brush. I feel like I've got like a kid doing my makeup right now where they're like, just gonna add some mascara to your cheek. Because all kids talk like that. Powder. Okay, got it. Yay! Thing is, I don't want to ruin all my makeup just because I did this. I can't flip it. Wow. Love. Love. Gorgeous. Gonna go in with the white. I've never put this much white eyeshadow on before. Or I don't think I have. Just gonna do my underneath my eyebrow. Yes. Let's get some green. Going with the green. It's like a sea green. Yes, bitch. Oh, I also had brown on this brush, so this might not work. Speck of eyeshadow on my eye, on my eyelashes. Right, let's go in with this. Damn, that is green. A bit of purple. Bit of green underneath my eye. And then I'm going to contour with some green. while we're here. I'm gonna dip it in there, swirly swirly. I look more like a weird monster than a witch, but I'm gonna go in with a little bit of purple. It's not gonna work, is it? Let's do some eyeliner. I have this pencil, which I can also use on my lips. So we do like a little, like a cobweb, like the classic cobweb. It's not even touching my eye. I want to do like a really thick line. Wow, this just got worse. I think I should stop now. I was going to do lashes for this look, but I genuinely don't think I'm going to be able to do it because I'm scared and I'll probably poke myself in the eye. I will probably do another makeup look, just not like this. I'm going to do some lipstick. So I have the same eyeliner. I can actually use this as lipstick as well, it says. So I'm going to dip that in. Damn, too much. I'm just gonna like apply highlighter all over my face. I wet the brush and now it's like too dark. I feel like I've missed loads of steps, but I'm just gonna go with it. Okay, I want to put my hair in a wig because I think it's not a complete look until we have the wig. Let's see how that goes. I don't know if I should just put the hat on. I feel like someone from the Addams family now, more than a witch. See, it looks good from far away. I've lost one of my fingers, so I'm gonna give up. I've lost my thumb. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see me do something like this, maybe have the witch fingers on for like a whole day, then I can do that. Yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Yeah, great outro. Bye guys, bye. It feels really weird waving. Bye. Right, so let's go. This is Halloween, this is Halloween. I'm trying to like, iPhones do not respond to fake fingers, like, a bit rude.